Welcome to our tutorial, ChatGPT for Machine Vision. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how to combine smart cameras from IMAGO Technologies with our software ViewIT and the power of ChatGPT to solve image processing tasks faster, easier, and more cost-effectively. Imagine an engineer who wants to solve a seemingly simple task with a smart camera. Yes, there are powerful software tools available on the market. They offer endless options, but they are expensive, complex to operate, and often oversized for the actual needs. As a result, engineers spend more time learning the software than solving their real problem. IMAGO offers a different approach, a smart camera combined with the ViewIT software and algorithms generated or adapted with ChatGPT. Together, this creates a powerful yet simple solution for industrial image processing. IMAGO smart cameras integrate sensor, processing power, and industrial interfaces in one compact housing. They are robust, industry-ready, and easy to integrate into existing production lines. With ViewIT, you get a complete workflow for industrial vision. First, image acquisition. Second, processing configuration. And third, the integration of Python plugins generated with our custom-trained GPT model. Let us begin with image acquisition. ViewIT provides full control over the grab parameters, which define how images are captured. Settings such as exposure time, gain, and other camera parameters can be adjusted to achieve optimal image quality for a given application. Fine-tuning these values allows the system to adapt to different lighting conditions and object characteristics. Once the acquisition settings are configured, ViewIT continuously captures images, making them available for subsequent analysis. Different processing plugins can be selected and configured, tailoring the workflow to specific tasks and requirements. This modular approach ensures that ViewIT can be adapted quickly to new scenarios, providing both efficiency and accuracy across a wide range of applications. Now, let's bring in ChatGPT. There are two ways to use it. Option 1. Create complete new scripts with ChatGPT, import them into ViewIT, and run them directly on your camera images. ViewIT can be extended with Python plugins generated by our custom-trained GPT called ViewIT Python plugin. This model is designed to deliver correct and ready-to-use plugins for the framework. In this demonstration, the GPT is asked to create a plugin that reads QR codes. The generated Python code is downloaded, uploaded into ViewIT, and then selected for use. As shown, the new plugin immediately performs as expected, reliably detecting and decoding QR codes. This illustrates how seamlessly GPT-generated code can enhance the capabilities of ViewIT. Option 2. Adapt existing scripts, for example, for edge detection, code reading, or blob analysis, and customize them with ChatGPT. The plugin in question performs blob detection, identifying connected regions within an image. The enhancement request is to add an input parameter that defines the minimum blob area to be detected. This feature allows small or irrelevant objects to be filtered out, focusing the analysis only on meaningful structures. The GPT provides the updated Python code, which is then integrated into ViewIT. Once the modified plugin is selected, the minimum area parameter can be adjusted directly in the interface, giving precise control over the detection process and improving the overall quality of the analysis. What are the benefits? You save costs by avoiding oversized software packages. You save time because ChatGPT helps you build or adapt algorithms faster. And you gain flexibility from standard inspections to advanced deep learning. Try it yourself. Combine IMAGO smart cameras, ViewIT software, and ChatGPT for your machine vision solution. Visit us at imago-technologies.com and let's make your vision smarter.